How to improve communication skills. Discuss the need and importance of communication skills. Ask a question to the audience. Do you find it difficult to express yourself effectively? Verbal communication, importance of clear articulation and tone. Provide examples, what to say and how to say. Nonverbal communication, body language, gestures, and facial expressions. Examples, ideal posture and the importance of eye contact. Written communication, tips for writing emails and messages, formal versus informal tone. Examples, how to write a good email. Explain what active listening is and why it's important. Techniques, full attention, what to do and what to avoid. Reflective listening, providing feedback and clarifying. Tips for keeping your message clear and concise. Examples, avoiding jargon and using straightforward language. Discuss the importance of understanding others' feelings. Ways to show empathy, active listening, validating feelings, and providing supportive responses. How to practice regularly. Importance of getting feedback from friends and family. Quick tips to boost confidence, practice, preparation, and visualization. Audience engagement techniques, questions and storytelling. Summary of key takeaways. Encourage the audience to share their experiences. Remind viewers to like and subscribe if they enjoyed the video. Ask them to share their feedback or suggestions in the comments.